Hey, welcome to this channel if you are just joining us. So in this video I want to show you how you can create a full backup of your website from your aaPanel Linux control panel to your Google Drive, and also how to automate a daily backup or hourly backup. So join me while I do that. So the first thing you need to do is to install the Google Drive backup plugin, which is from the App Store here on aaPanel control area. So I'm just going to navigate to the App Store here. This is App Store, and then search for Google Drive like this. Then install the panel. Yeah, that's it. Install now. So this is going to take a while to install, so I'm just going to have to pause the video and continue when it is done. And now it is done installing. So the next thing I want to do is to connect the aaPanel to my Google Drive account. So I'm just going to click on the settings for this plugin or this app, and then click on this open link. So this is going to direct me to my Google Drive account or my Google page login to ensure I am able to connect it to the server. And I click on the account I want to use, then click on continue. So I'm going to copy the URL on this browser tab here like this, and then come back to my aaPanel and paste the URL here and confirm at once. Now my Google Drive, it is connected to my aaPanel. Next thing I want to do is to set up the automated backup on the server. So I'm just going to come back here and click on Cron, then add a task. So the task type will be a backup site like this, and then I want to ensure the backup is running daily or hourly. For this I will set daily, and it should run every 1 hour 30 minutes. So I will then set the backup to for this backup storage to Google Drive, and then retain 3 backup. Let me just reduce it to 2 backup so I don't have to use up all my space. Another thing is backup settings. Keep local backup at the same time. I don't want to keep the local backup on my server because I don't want to use up my server disk, so I will just disable this and then click on confirm. So that is it. The next thing I want to do is to also ensure I add the task to back up my database separately. So add another task. Here I will then select backup database. Ensure I'm selecting the all database here, and then local disk to change it to Google Drive, and retain 2 backup as well. Also disable the backup, the local backup storage, then confirm. That is all you need to do to ensure your backup is being taken every day for your website. Now if I go to this website, you can see there's no backup for now. If I come back to the Cron and then I click on execute here, sorry, I'm just trying to show you the screen. If I click on the execute here, it's just going to, and I click on confirm, it will take backup of the website. I hope this video helps you. Thanks for watching, and if you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section. Bye.